High-Docked P1. Let's kick things off with the High-Dock P1, a cutting-edge AI-powered voice recorder designed for Bluetooth earphones. Imagine being able to attend a meeting or conversation and never worry about taking notes again. The High-Dock P1 automatically records everything you hear and say, filtering out background noise and even providing summaries and translations. This device can capture voices up to 3 meters away and seamlessly organize to-dos, helping you stay focused on the conversation rather than scrambling for notes. If you're constantly in meetings or on calls, the High-Dock P1 is a game changer for staying productive while staying hands-free. DJI Flip. Next up is the DJI Flip, a foldable drone that's perfect for creators and adventurers alike. This drone features a 1.3-inch sensor and shoots stunning 4K footage at 60 frames per second, delivering cinematic visuals with every shot. It weighs under 249 grams, meaning you don't need to worry about FAA registration. And with up to 31 minutes of flight time, it's perfect for capturing both aerial shots and smooth, dynamic videos. The DJI Flip's foldable design, paired with propeller guards, makes it easy to carry and super safe to fly, whether you're shooting outdoor adventures or filming a creative project. If you love photography or videography, this drone is going to elevate your content to new heights. Halo Modular Air Duster. Cleaning just got a whole lot more fun with the Halo Modular Air Duster. This isn't just your average air blower. It's modular and transforms into different forms, like a portable fan, desktop fan, or even a power bank. Powered by a 90,000 RPM motor, this duster easily tackles dust and debris from your workspace, while the built-in 10,000 mAh power bank ensures you're always charged on the go. With real-time status indicators and customizable lighting, the Halo Air Duster is as stylish as it is functional. And with future add-ons, like a light and a shaver, it'll become even more versatile. If you want an all-in-one cleaning solution, the Halo Modular Air Duster is a must-have. Moonside Star Bulb. The Moonside Star Bulb is here to revolutionize your home lighting. This smart bulb features 96 individually addressable color LEDs, giving you full control over how your space feels. Whether you're setting the mood for a party, relaxing with a cozy atmosphere, or lighting up your room for work, this bulb does it all. Plus, it includes 9 high-quality white LEDs for brighter everyday lighting. The Moonside Star Bulb integrates seamlessly with your smart home system via Matter, allowing you to control it with voice commands or your phone. If you want lighting that adapts to your mood and your space, this bulb will change the way you light up your home. Chill Shark. Forget about the hassle of ice baths and cold therapy at the gym. The Chill Shark is here to bring the ultimate recovery tool directly to your bathtub. This device transforms any standard tub into a personal ice bath, allowing you to set the desired temperature through an easy-to-use app. Perfect for athletes or wellness enthusiasts, the Chill Shark helps with muscle recovery and stress relief by providing cold therapy right at home. Whether you're recovering from a tough workout or just need a chill session after a long day, the Chill Shark takes your wellness routine to the next level. Circular Ring 2. The Circular Ring 2 is a sleek, smart ring that packs powerful health tracking features into an ultra-light design. At only a millimeter thick and weighing less than a gram, this ring is so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing it. It tracks vital health metrics like sleep apnea, oxygen levels, and heart rate, providing comprehensive insights into your well-being. With a battery life of 10 to 12 days on a single charge and waterproof design for up to 100 meters, it's perfect for everyday use, even during swims. Plus, The Ring offers AI-powered health recommendations, helping you take control of your fitness and sleep. If you want to track your health in the most convenient way, the Circular Ring 2 is your ideal companion. Dr. Cushion Smart Sleeping Pad. Say goodbye to uncomfortable nights and hello to the Dr. Cushion Smart Sleeping Pad. This pad adapts to your body, offering 8 levels of adjustable firmness for the perfect sleep experience, whether you prefer soft or firm support. With cooling capabilities and pressure relief technology, it ensures you get the best rest possible. But that's not all. The pad also features a soothing wave stroking massage mode to help you relax before bed. And its gentle wake-up service provides a relaxing massage to ease you into your day. If you're looking to improve your sleep quality, the Dr. Cushion is an innovative solution that offers personalized comfort like no other. Mota C-Series Automated Shades. The Mota C-Series Automated shades offer a seamless way to control natural light in your home without the hassle of constant maintenance. These shades use a simple tension rod system for easy installation and recharge, automatically using sunlight, so you never have to worry about battery replacements. Made from premium fabrics and high-quality aluminum, the shades operate quietly and can be controlled with a remote or integrated into your smart home system. If you want to enhance the elegance and functionality of your living space, the Mota C-Series is the perfect addition to any room. Fanbat. On hot summer days or during outdoor activities, staying cool and keeping your devices charged can be a challenge. Enter Fanbat, a compact, portable 2-in-1 device that combines a mini fan with a power bank. Whether you're at a music festival, on a hike, or just chilling at home, the Fanbat provides a refreshing breeze while charging your phone or other devices with its built-in USB charging capabilities. Its small size makes it easy to carry in your bag, so you'll never have to deal with overheating or running out of power again. Procolored K8 DTF printer. If you're into custom apparel or fabric printing, the Procolored K8 DTF printer is about to make your life a whole lot easier. This user-friendly printer simplifies the printing process with its direct-to-fabric DTF technology. Just upload your image and hit print. The printer features real-time laser detection technology to ensure high-quality prints every time, and it's equipped with a white ink circulation system to maintain vibrant colors on any fabric. With automated ink management, the Procolored K8 makes fabric printing efficient, cost-effective, and hassle-free. Which of these cool gadgets would you love to have in your life this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in tech. See you in the next video.